Hey, good morning. My name is Kim Wilson. I'm a trader, one of David Marsh's students, and I've been a student with David Marsh since 2007. So I'm, I guess, a 6-year veteran now, and I wanted to show you guys one of the trades that I'm going to take this morning, or to take a trade. I wanted to show you using the advanced techniques or the trades in the power trading system. So I'm going to trade the Nasdaq this morning, and just going to watch and see if we get a signal here for a trade, and we'll go ahead and take the trade and show you guys how the system works. I'm fortunate that I was able to take the first live class that David had about a year ago, and the trading techniques, the new techniques that are in the power trading system, are phenomenal for recovery purposes, as well as giving you tools to trade other markets. Um, I trade multiple markets. I will trade the ES. I'll trade the Nasdaq, the ES, crude oil, gold, um, and I trade the 6E, the Euro future, which is a great instrument to trade using the the EPB, the early pullback technique. That's one of the trades in the power trading system. So um, it's a phenomenal system. There's a lot of options that you have with it, as far as different instruments that you can trade. So, all right, I'm gonna not be so trying to talk you guys' ears off, but we're just waiting here and trying to see if we can get a trade set up. And take the trade so I can show you. You can see I've got my dome set up here on the left hand side. Um, just to show you a little bit that's there. I've got 3 targets that are set here today that I'm trading. Total of 10 contracts. I've got it broken down into first target of 4, 3, and 3. I got my stop loss set, and I've got a profit target at 4 on the first group of contracts, 6 on the second. Then I have the third set at 0. And what the third one does at 0 is it allows these last group of contracts to move with the auto trail that I had set up in NinjaTrader, meaning I have settings, I have the auto trail set that as the market moves in the direction that my initial trade has been activated on, and I broke it even and now it's starting to move further, it will automatically move in the direction that I either long or short, but it will just keep moving those contracts down until it touches my stop, and my stop will continue to move up or move down. Then when it gets to the point where the market starts to change directions, it'll come back down or up and touch it, and then stop me out. What that does, that gives us the ability to catch a long trade. Now, an example here, let me just change this real quick so I can just show you. Here, if we had gotten filled here, this would have ran up and we would have had it set at 0, and it just would have kept on going. So that's what that situation was, or that's what that 0 setting would allow us to do, and catch these long moves up or long moves down. Okay, I'm going to just pause the video for a minute here while we're waiting. Okay, back. Just waiting to see if we can catch a trade here. I've been trading, like I said, about 6 years. I traded um, the stock market as a day trader prior to going to the futures and the ETS system with David Marsh, and I've been very, very happy trading the futures using the ETS system. It's made a definite difference in my trading. It's made a difference in my life because I'm able to make profit on a consistent basis. Um, and this new power trading system, I just can't say enough. And the fact that, excuse me, that the tools that are there about teaching for recovery are just key, because everyone knows that, if that trades is that not every trade you take is going to be a winning trade, but the power trading system gives you the tools, gives you the knowledge of how to take those tools and recover from the losing trade, recover, make profit, and move on down the road in a positive manner. So, if there was one area of my trading over the years that was that I always wanted to improve on, and that was the recovery and the power trading system tools, which were taught as an advanced tool, are the tools that I use now. I have confidence, knowing that I can reach into my quote arsenal and go and use those tools and recover. And I also use those tools to trade in a certain way, and that's the EPB. I will trade this particular technique. Probably 95 or 98% of my trading is all I do using this technique. It's one that you can use as a standalone trading system, and again, like I said earlier, it just works on multiple markets. NASDAQ, 60 ES, crude, gold. There's many different markets you can go to. So, market's just kind of moving sideways here. So we're going to go ahead and pause this video. So I don't want it to get too long. Okay, we'll be back in a minute as soon as we can get some direction on the trade. All right, we're back. All right, we're looking here to see if we get close to getting a signal. If so, we will take a trade, and we'll show you how this indicator will show you where the trade will plot, and where to take it. So we'll see what happens here. See if we can catch a trade and make profit today. I'd encourage you guys, if you have any interest, to get a hold of Al or any of the guys from. There's a signal at 2780. So we're going to go ahead and place a signal, a order rather, on that signal. Talk with Al, get some information, and take a look at it. It is a phenomenal system, and I'm just a student. I'm not part of the company or anything. I'm just sharing my thoughts with it. And like I said, I've been 6 years, going on 7, and I'm just happy. So I'll leave that there, and let's watch this trade and see if we can get filled, and see if we can come down and make some profit. Okay, we're just watching here to see if we touch or if it continues down, and we'll get another signal. If so, we'll move our order down, and then we got another order at 79. So we're going to go ahead and move our target down, our entry price, and it's going to move again. Getting some good movement here in the market right now in the NASDAQ. Okay, 78.50. Again, you can see how it gives you the entry points that are set. And we'll see if we can get filled here, and see if we can make some income for the day today, gentlemen and ladies. And it wants to run down, I think. I keep seeing. Yeah, we're just waiting. We don't know what the market's going to do, so we're just going to wait and let the trade come to us, and so we'll see if we get a fill here. Okay, we'll move down a little bit more. I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video here for a minute. I'm not. We'll wait. We'll see if it comes up. It's getting close here. See if we get filled. I don't want you to miss it, so I was going to pause it here. Yeah, it wants to move back down again, so maybe we'll go ahead and pause. Just don't want to make these videos too long. I want them to be short, and we're getting close now. Let's see if we'll get filled here. Okay, it's touching. We should get filled here. Okay, there we go. We're filled. And now we'll see if it will come back and go down and make profit. And we're just watching here. We're just watching the trade cook, and it's going to do its thing. So we're just waiting to see how the trade fares out. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video a little bit here. Try and keep it short while we get some direction on this trade. Okay, we're back. Let me just show you. I've got, this is my first target here. This is my second target here. If it hits this, it'll come down. My stop will come down to break even, which is here at 78.25. And here it's getting close, so we'll say there it is. It moves down. Okay, so now we're broken even. Okay, there it is. So it's filled both of our targets. Now it's moved down. Now we're on this last set of targets here, and you can see where we're now 2 ticks below where our entry was. So we've locked in 2 ticks of profit here on the last set of contracts. Okay, and we're just waiting to see if it continues to go down. If it does, this trail will move on down with it. So we'll see what happens, or we'll end here getting 2 ticks on the last set of contracts here. But we shall see. We shall see what happens here. It's getting close back up, so it looks like it's going to come back and there we go. We're stopped. So there's a quick trade this morning. Again, NASDAQ, a little bit different. The fact that it pays $5 a tick, as opposed to some of the others instruments that will pay $10 or $12.50 a tick. So we got $200 of profit this morning on a nice short trade, and that will give you guys an idea of what it's like to trade the power trading system by David Marsh. Again, it's made a difference in my life. I just enjoyed trading it, and I'm hoping that you guys like the video, and you'll talk to Al, and at least get some information, find out if it's something that I'm not going to say it's something, I know it's something that can help your trading. So all right, I'm done. I'm not going to yap anymore. Thanks for watching the video, guys. You take care, and have a good day.